Alright, so yesterday we talked about scatter plots. What those are, it's basically a bunch of points scattered across a graph, and that is what a scatter plot is. Today we're going to talk about line of best fit, or it's also considered a trend line, but we're going to use the word line of best fit in the class a lot, so that's what we're going to refer to it as. And that is a straight line that best represents the data on a scatter plot. Okay, this line may pass through some of the points, none of the points, or all of the points. Alright, so what we're going to do today is we're going to do exactly that. We're going to draw a line of best fit based off of the points in a given graph. Okay, so here's your example. Again, here's all the points, and you're going to create a line based off of that. Okay, so steps for drawing a line of best fit. Obviously you want to draw a line of best fit, so it should be as close as possible to most of the points. You want to look for the center and go in the same direction as the point, so you want to see if it's going in an upward, downward, or no trend. Okay, try to draw the line so that there's about the same amount of points above and below the line. Okay, so this is exactly what we're going to do right now. Alright, so if you look at this first example, this first graph, we have this scatter plot. It's a bunch of points scattered along the graph. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line of best fit. So we're going to see more or less where is the center of this line. Okay, so approximate the center of all of your points. So the center is about basically right here. I'm going to draw an X. Okay, so you got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points below, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 points above that X. What we want to do now is we want to adjust the ruler. So obviously I don't have a ruler right now and you can't see me using the ruler, but when you guys are using a laptop, it is hard to draw with a ruler. So just draw the best possible line you can that gets through those points. Okay, and you'll see that this line goes through these points, and you'll notice that there's about the same amount of points above the line as there is below the line. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll count 7 above the line, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again, this one can go both ways. So there's about the same amount of points above the line as there is below the line. For the second one, okay, another way you can do this is you can circle all of your points and then more or less cut that circle in half. Okay, I was a little bit off there, but you'll notice that if this line was to cut through these points in a downward trend, it would be about the same amount above the line, same amount of points above the line as there is below the line. Okay, and for this last one here, you'll notice that there is no real trend to this scatter plot, so meaning the dots aren't going upward or downward, so there's really no line of best fit we can draw for this line here, or for this graph here. Okay, what you're going to be doing right now is you're going to be doing these examples right here for classwork. Okay, so draw your line of best fit.